Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of my spring cleaning series, I'm actually going to be sharing with you some car hacks, things that are going to help you clean really quickly and efficiently. This video is also in collaboration with High Road Organizers. I have some really cool products to show you from theirs. Be sure to check the description box below and let's go ahead and hop right in. I don't know about you guys, but my dash is so dusty. It might just be where I live, but I am constantly noticing tons of dust and dirt up on the dash. So my hack for this one is to actually use a coffee filter to dust this area. This works really well. This is some melted crayon it's pulling up, and coffee filters are super inexpensive and very easy to get your hands on. I really like to keep dryer sheets on hand and not to use in the dryer actually, but I like to use them for hacks just like this. If you have bugs stuck to your car grill or to the front of your car, you can actually clean them off incredibly easily with just a dryer sheet. You don't have to wet this, it comes off so easily. And then as another quick tip, if you put a couple in your car door or somewhere in your car, even under the seat, it really helps freshen everything up. For this next car hack, you just need some type of disinfectant spray or even a surface spray I think would work great. This one is a new one by 7th Generation that I'm trying out. Spritz a little bit of that on one of these little crafting sponges and you can get into the little crevices of your air vents and all around your front dash area. It's just really easy to get into little crevices, and this was so fast and it really freshened everything up. This one was one of my favorites. Now, if you guys have been following me, you know how obsessed I am with using a butter knife to clean. You're going to take that same disinfectant spray or your surface spray, cover it with a cloth. I'm using a microfiber towel for this one myself, and you're really able to get into very hard to reach places and really scrape out areas that seem impossible to clean. My cup holders were completely corroded and covered, and this trick worked perfectly. For this next car cleaning hack, you're just going to need some petroleum jelly, another really cheap thing that is super easy to get your hands on. We're going to be polishing the dash. Now, this is not something that I do on a regular, but if you're wanting to go a little extra, this is a really fun and cool thing to do as part of your spring cleaning. This really did make a big difference. My dash looked brand new after I did this, but you have to just be careful to wipe off any excess. This is just done with a microfiber cloth. Again, I love using these for cleaning. They work really well. As a mom, I have always got a pack of wipes in my car, but I do recommend carrying them around even if you don't have little kids, just because they are great for spot cleaning. My window, as you can see, is super dirty, and I just used a wipe to wipe this off. Now, it did leave streaks, I am not gonna lie, but if you are looking to do this just as a quick and temporary solution to a dirty window, it works great. I have leather seats in my car. They can be really hard to keep clean. I noticed that baby wipes actually clean them off a lot better than cloth. Now, I'm not treating my seats right now. I'm not doing anything special. This is just a quick wipe down, and I could not believe how dirty my seats were. And I'm really happy that I wiped them off. So again, just carry a pack of wipes. It's really handy. And then to get inside the little seams on the seats can be kind of a chore, but if you use a dry toothbrush, it's really good at pulling out those little crumbs. I have never used one of these before, but this is a cup holder organizer from High Road Organizers. Guys, I am never going back. I love this one because it stores all of the things that you like to have up front with you in one place. I like to have my phone, lipsticks, glosses, hand sanitizer. You can put your sunglasses in here. It is so convenient, easy to use, and I also absolutely loved this backseat organizer. Guys, they have so many different organizers for different needs, different car styles. This one's really nice in particular if you don't want to carry around your diaper bag, and if you just want to have things in the back that you can use for quick clothes changes, quick diaper changes, if you need to store toys, snacks, whatever. I'm also excited to be using this in the summer for towels and pool toys. last minute, I also decided to stick in some disinfectant spray and an umbrella just in case. This is their seat back organizer. I love this one for storing little books. You can put tissues in this middle section, but of course I put my wipes just for sticky fingers. I also included a pack of wet wipes because we are always out and about and I love my kids to sanitize after the store. It stores toys, again, water bottle. You can even put an umbrella in here. There is so much room and I'm really impressed with how many pockets and compartments there are. This is a console trash can, which I am surprised I lived without my whole life because this seems so necessary, especially if you have people riding in the back a lot with snacks and wrappers. I've even found myself reaching back a lot to toss things in myself. So I will again leave the links for all of these products down below. They have so many products on their website. There is going to be something for everyone. Anyway guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what your favorite hack was in a comment down below, or let me know if you have any car hacks that you have absolutely loved using that we all need to know about. Happy spring guys, I'll see you very soon, and again, thanks for watching. Bye!